Good morning, class. I hope you all are fine in your home. Today I will teach you subject maths. Start with date. We have to mention the date in left hand side. DATE date 070720. After completed the date, you go to your first line. We have to write the classwork CLASS classwork WORK work. After completed the classwork, you have to go second line. We have to write thought of the day. BEB HAPPY. Be happy. Always be happy. बेटा हम लोग को हरदम खुश रहना चाहिए. Today I will write 3 and 4. 3. What is this? This is 3. Count a star. 1, 2, 3. First of all, write 3. See 3 points in your one box. Start with first point. Beta, first 2 point, draw half curve. आपको half curve बनाना है like that. Then one more half curve. This is 3. Once more half curve. One more half curve. This is 3. Once more half curve. One more half curve. This is 3. Repeat again. First line point to second point half curve. One more half curve. This is 3. Half curve and half curve. 3. Okay. Then what is this? This is 4. This is 4. Count a star. First 1, 2, 3, 4. How much are star? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We write 4. Standing line. One more standing line. And one sleeping line. This is 4. Once more standing line. One more standing line. And sleeping line. This is 4. Repeat again. Standing line. One more standing line. And sleeping line. This is 4. Standing line, sleeping line and standing line. This is 4. Beta, repeat it in this row. Repeat it in this row 3. Repeat it in this row 4. And write your name in last. After completed all the work, mention your name in last. Make a PDF and send to the school WhatsApp group. I hope you enjoy your classes. Thank you. Bye-bye.